Importing into the United States in 3 steps. Step 1. Preparation to importation of the merchandise. Step 2. Shipping merchandise from foreign country into the United States. Step 3. Legal entry into the United States. Let's take a closer look at each step. Step 1. Preparation to importation of the merchandise. Obtain licenses or permits if required by other U.S. agencies, such as FDA, EPA. If your merchandise or its packaging use trademarks or copyrighted material, make sure you have a legal right to import those items into the U.S. Make sure you know how your goods are made from raw materials to finished goods. By whom and where. If your goods are subject to a quota category, plan your import considering the quota period. Inform your foreign supplier of CBP country of origin marking requirements and any special marking required by U.S. law. Step 2. Shipping merchandise from a foreign country into the United States. If shipping by sea, file ISF 10+2 24 hours before the merchandise loaded on the ship. Make sure information on shipping documents matches information on the packing list and the invoice. Step 3. Legal entry into the United States. Obtain customs bond if required for your merchandise, or ask your customs broker to do it for you. Present required entry documentation and supporting information. Commercial invoice, packing list, bill of lading or airway bill, customs bond, other information if required by U.S. Customs. File entry documents with the U.S. Customs and pay duties and fees on the entry. Or hire a customs broker to do it for you. Once the goods are released and duties paid, the importer may receive the goods.